Did you know America's most prolific serial killer lived next door to normal families for 30 years? Richard Kuklinski seemed like the perfect neighbor in New Jersey. He coached Little League Baseball, hosted weekend barbecues, played with his kids in the yard, but Kuklinski had a secret life. He was a contract killer who claimed to murder over 200 people for crime families across the country. His methods were brutal and creative. He used guns, poison, even claimed he fed victims to rats. He earned the nickname the Iceman by freezing bodies to confuse investigators about time of death. For 3 decades, nobody suspected the friendly dad next door was one of America's most dangerous killers. Then in 1986, law enforcement set a trap. An undercover agent asked Kuklinski to kill his wife using cyanide. Kuklinski agreed immediately and explained his cold-blooded methods on tape. The recording revealed how casually he discussed murder while planning his daughter's birthday party. The perfect suburban father was actually a monster hiding in plain sight.